Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in McLean, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak in between the door and the bay window. The only time this leak occurs is when there's a really heavy downpour. I checked the roof. Everything is fine with the roof. It's only about a year old, and whoever installed it, they did an excellent job. Now, when you look at the gutter really carefully, you can see that it's sagging at the lowest point right in the middle. So when it rains really heavy, not only does the water overflow over the front, but it also goes over the back, and the water settles in between the bricks and the drywall. Now, once the insulation inside the wall becomes saturated, all that water will let loose and it will settle down into the basement, and it could cause a flood. So I highly recommend for these gutters and downspouts to be removed and replaced. Now, very important, when new gutters are installed, they have to be pitched perfectly and they have to be screwed into the rafters. Otherwise, he'll end up having additional problems. Now, also, there's a lot of pine trees and maple trees here as well, so these gutters get clogged. So I'm going to highly recommend the Rhino Gutter Guard system. Has a micro mesh filter on top of it. So the only thing that can get into the gutter would be water. So again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in gutter replacement in McLean and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.